So now let us consider this initial equation. So we are given that 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of s is equal to 10 divided by 81. So we are asked to find the value of x. So we are given that 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 10 divided by 81. So at this point, we can have that this becomes 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 10 divided by 81. So on that note, we can factorize 3 raised to the power of x. So the equation becomes 3 raised to the power of x, open up a bracket, 3 squared plus 1 equal to 10 divided by 81. So this simplified to become 3 raised to the power of x. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have 10 equal to 10 divided by 81. We can divide both sides of the equation by 10. So we have it that 10 can cancel out 10. So we'll be left with 3 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 10 divided by 81 times 10. So 10 can cancel out 10. We are left with 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 divided by 81. So we have that 3 raised to the power of x, 1 divided by 81 can be expressed as 81 raised to the power of negative 1. Now we can express 81 in the base of 3. So we have that this becomes 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 all raised to the power of negative 1. So therefore we have that 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of negative 4. Now since the bases are the same as usual, so the powers are the same. So our x is equal to negative 4.